Hi, this is Jill at The Ordered Home, and I want to talk to you about smoothies. I have been missing my smoothies. I don't normally drink them during the winter because it's a little chilly, but now that the sun has come out again, I am going to reinstitute some of my smoothies here in my diet. Being enthusiastic to put a smoothie together and drink it is to have all my items in one area, and that's what I'm going to show you today. I have a little smoothie station here, and I'm going to show you what items that I stock here in this cabinet. A Lazy Susan for some of the smaller jars and the items that I need to set up here. Some unsweetened coconut, pecans. I also have labels on these. You can see that. Cranberries, walnuts, cacao nibs, flaxseed, chia seeds, cinnamon nutritional yeast, some almond butter. I have some sample packets here of MCT oil. It's something new I'm kind of digging into, and those are going to go through as well. I have spicy pecans here for a snack. Just happen to be in this area. I do have liquid stevia extract liquid. The English toffee stevia drops. I do have a small measuring container. I have an old label maker that I use to place the labels on these, and they seem to adhere very well, that when I put them in the dishwasher to clean them, they don't even come off. Use any kind of label device you like. I do have a few here that I am going to do today. I have some acai powder, some hemp parts, and some cocoa powder that I'm going to label to stick up here today. I recently did to make things a little easier and motivate me a little more to come over here and throw a smoothie together was to write some of my favorite smoothie recipes down. Well, I'll type them on a Word document and print them out on this colorful paper. I also place a couple overnight oats recipes on here and some flavored waters just to remind me, oh yeah, I should make some of that today. I have those ingredients. So I have command strip hooks placed right on the inside of the cupboard, so I open it up, I can take this down, it's in a protective sleeve. Which smoothie do I want today? The ones that I am really enjoying right now are from Kelly LeVeque, and she has a book out called Body Love. I'm no way sponsoring this. This is just a personal opinion that I have really enjoyed her smoothies and a lot of her other recipes. So that is where I'm going to place that. The other thing that I like to do is I have some extra teaspoons nearby for measuring and place them right there. I tend to place this command strip closer to the hinge so that when you open it, it doesn't fly out. Just this flies out. And let's go ahead and make a smoothie. Amazing. I hope this has inspired you to create some smoothies, make a little smoothie station. And until next time, make it a happy day. I hope you find order, peace, and love.